I believe all along that U.S. cotton producers been always underappreciated in the global textile apparel industry because we are the third largest cotton producing country in the world, yet we don't produce cotton apparel in this country. Instead, most of the cotton fibers are exported out to other countries such as China, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Mexico, and so forth. And those countries import U.S. cotton fibers and then process them into yarns and fabrics and apparel, re-exported back to this country, to the United States, for U.S. consumption. But when they come back, they mostly have made in China, made in Mexico, made in Pakistan label, and according to the country of origin rules that we have. And because of that, the contribution that U.S. cotton farmers have made, which is supplying raw materials, has been lost in this midst of the global supply chain of cotton apparel. And that has been one of my main focus, and saying we have the information there, we have the technology there to keep the integrity of U.S. cotton, yet somehow the retailers and the brand managers, and especially by law, policy-wise, we just never motivated enough to recognize the components that United States is producing. That could be fibers, cotton fibers, that could be cotton yarn producers, that could be also brand creators in this country as well, design, brand producers, branders, and product development and so forth. So it's just the one small step for me to start recognizing what we do as a manufacturers or producer of raw material in this country. And I've been just telling retailers and brand owners, saying, why don't you consider saying certain your products are made in China with the U.S. cotton, or made in Mexico with the U.S. cotton. And it shouldn't be that much difficult for you to track that and being able to communicate that with your consumers. If you do, according to my recent research, American consumers are willing to pay even up to 15% more than with the other products that may not have U.S. components in it. So consumers appreciate it, and the technology and the information is there. I think we need to start recognizing what we do here by more clearly communicating with our consumers, and that would help also this current Buy America drive that our consumers have nowadays. It doesn't have to be everything doesn't have to be made here for it to contribute to American consumers, to American economy. Just producing cotton alone can make a huge contribution to cotton apparel. And it may not be 100% done in this country. The clothing may not be 100% made in this country because of the labor issue and all, but the fiber might have come from this country, fabric might have came from this country, design and brand might have done in this country. So this is just another small step to tell the whole U.S. consumers that we are here. We do one of the most important thing for human mankind, providing fundamental natural fibers that we all need in this world. So the final take home would be that without cotton farmers, we can't enjoy all this clothing that we have every day. And what you do every day is really important for fundamental human survival as well as sustainability. And if you do it well, responsibly, and sustainably, that would eventually help the entire society and the country. And because you do that, I'm on the other side, I'm going to start going to the retailers and the brand owners to ask them to recognize what you do every day.